Welcome back, friends. Today we will talk about Zoom meetings. Zoom is a video conferencing app in which you can conduct online meetings. So today we will cover most of the features of the Zoom meetings, including joining a meeting and scheduling a meeting. Watch the video till end to know all of the features of the Zoom meetings. So without any delay, let's get started. Open your browser and go to zoom.com. Over here you will see that this is the Zoom website. First of all, let's go to the plans and pricing. Over here you can see that there are 4 types of plans that Zoom offers. First of all, there's a basic plan, there's a pro plan, there's a business plan, there's an enterprise plan. So today we will be covering the basic plan. In this plan you can have 100 participants in a meeting, unlimited one-to-one meetings, but the meeting duration is only 40 minutes, and there are other options as well. In the second plan you can pay this much amount. It has all the features of the basic plan, plus it has some more options over here, including 1 GB cloud space where you can store your recordings, and then you can add the number of participants up to 1000 by paying more. Similarly, you can review features of the business plan and the enterprise plan. So first of all, let's go to the sign up and sign up for free. So for verification, confirm your date of birth, whatever your date of birth is, and then click on continue. After that, provide your email address and then click on sign up. Once you will click on sign up, Zoom will send an email containing the link for activating your account. Click on that link and activate your account. Once you will activate your account, come back to the Zoom and then click on sign in. Once you will click on sign in, you have to provide your email address and the password you provided during the registration, and after that click on sign in. I have logged in with my account. So once I am logged in, I can see this screen in front of me. In this screen I can see a number of options. Towards the right I can see options like schedule a meeting, join a meeting, and host a meeting. On the left side we have a couple of options, like we can go to our profile to review details of my profile, and then there are meetings. Under meeting we can see our upcoming meetings, our previous meetings, personal meeting room, and meeting templates. Then we have webinars, and under webinars there are a couple of options. We will discuss this later, maybe in another video. And then there's an option of recording. You can manage your recordings over here. And then there are settings. There are a couple of settings over here. We will go through these settings later. You can either enable or disable various settings by going through all of the options over here. But for now, what we will do, that we will schedule a meeting and then we will join a meeting. So first of all, click on schedule a meeting, and over here provide topic of the meeting. It is a test meeting, and then you can also provide description of your meeting, testing the Zoom meetings, and then select the meeting start date. Could be a 20th, and then select the time when you want to start the meeting. Can be 5:30 AM. Then duration of the meeting you can specify from here, but note that the basic plan has limit of meeting up to 40 minutes only. And from here you can select the time zone. Then this option is for the recurring meeting. If this is a recurring meeting, just click on that, and after that the meeting ID will be generated automatically. And there's a meeting password. We can simplify it, we can change it to 123. Then we can say that when host join the meeting, they should turn their video on or off. And similar to the participant, if you want participant to turn their video on or off, you can configure these options from here. And finally you can review these options over here. Enable join before host. If you want somebody to join before the host, you can check this here. Mute participants upon entry you can check this option. Enable waiting room. It means that when you join the meeting, you will enable the participant to join the meeting if it is checked. If you don't want to have that option enabled, just uncheck that. And then the option that whether you want to record the meeting automatically on the local computer, click on that if you want that option to be enabled, and after that click on save. Once you will click on this save, the meeting will be scheduled. You can see, you can review the details of the meetings, and from here you can simply copy the invitation. This is the invitation of your meeting which you just scheduled, and copy this meeting information, and you can share this information with your participants. And please note that the meeting ID is given here and the password is this. Now we will use this meeting ID to join a meeting. Now simply you can start meeting from this link, or you can click on a join a meeting option, or you can open your Zoom client, Zoom app, and enter the meeting ID in that app and the password to join it. So there are different ways to join a meeting. For now I will just click on this join a meeting. So if you have a meeting ID, whether from your own meeting or whether the meeting ID is sent by someone else, you can join through that. For now I will copy the meeting ID. I have clicked on this, I will right click on this and then copy it, and I know the password, it is 123, and I will cancel it, and I will join through this option, join a meeting. So through this link you can either join a meeting which you have scheduled or which has been scheduled by someone else and they have shared the meeting ID with you. So we will click here the meeting ID or the personal link. Currently we have the meeting ID. I will just paste it over here, right click here and then paste it. This is the meeting ID we want to join. This is the ID of the meeting we want to join to. Click on join, and over here it is saying that if you have Zoom client installed, launch meeting, otherwise download and run Zoom. If you have Zoom installed on your computer, then you can click on launch meeting, or you can just click on the open button over here. But if you do not have the Zoom installed on your PC, you can go to download and run Zoom. I have installed the Zoom in my computer, so I will either click on launch the meeting or I will click on open. So now it is asking me to join with a computer audio. Yes, I want to join with a computer audio, and over here I can see that I am now in the meeting. So now over here I can see couple of options, like I can mute myself. If I will click here, the other person will not be able to hear me. So when I will speak, I have to unmute myself. I will click again to enable the mic, and now you will notice that when I'm speaking, there is a movement in the mic, but it is better that when you are not talking, you keep your mic mute. I do not have the camera attached with my computer, but if you have camera, you can enable or disable the video over here. If there is a camera attached to the system, now the video will be displayed over here, and if I click on this, the video is disabled now. If you click on this small arrow, you can see a couple of more options that you can choose a virtual background from here, and there are a couple of more options like security. You don't need to do anything over here, and you can click on participants. Currently I am the only participants over here, but the participant who will join the meeting, they will be listed over here. And then there's a chat box. When you will click on chat, the chat option will appear on the right side. Over here you can type and you can address to anyone from selecting this drop down. It is currently everyone because there is none other than me. So this is the chat window. You can have chat with the individual participants or with everyone. And with this option you can share your screen. If you click on this, you can share your screen. If you want to present during the meeting, you want to show something to other participants, you can click on this option. You can select any window to share that, and this option shows that you can record your, if you click on this option, your meeting will start recording. So these are the basic options in Zoom meetings. that how you can schedule the meeting, how you can join a meeting in the Zoom. I hope this will help you in your future meetings. Happy meetings. Thank you for watching.